following the chairman's even directions or the chairman's advice also, and then want to shout. I have received a letter from leader of the opposition and 46 members, urging thereby a motion of no confidence against the deputy chairman, and alleging that while conducting a proceeding in the House yesterday, he had violated the established parliamentary procedure and norms during the... What? There is no need to say yes or no. I don't need your permission. If you don't want to follow rules, if you don't want to respect the chair, then I leave it to you. Really a very bad day for democracy. He has violated, is this a rule? Sitting and making commentary without permission of the chair? What are you trying to teach me? Please don't do that. See, dancing on the table, throwing papers. This will not go on record. Anything unauthorized is said by anybody will not go on record. You have been named. You have to go out. You must know how to follow this thing. I have received a letter. And then they say, during the passing of the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill 2020 and the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill 2020, they have expressed no confidence against the Honorable Deputy Chairman, desired to move a motion for this removal. I have gone through this entire proceedings of the House held yesterday in the light of the allegations made by leader of the opposition and other members, and observed that the Deputy Chairman has persistently requested the members to go to their seats and participate in the debate and move amendments. Obviously, in view of the continuous disruption of the House, the division could not have taken place. In view of the continuous disruption of the House, see, you are seeing now. If anybody has missed yesterday, you can see it today. And observed that the Deputy Chairman has persistently requested the members to go to their seat and participate in the debate and move amendments. Obviously, in view of the continuous disruption in the House, and the division could not have taken place, as I explained to you earlier. Certainly, the conduct of some members was grossly crossed all the barriers of parliamentary decorum and etiquettes, and thereby bringing down the prestige of the House. After carefully going through the provisions of the Constitution, rules of Rajya Sabha and past precedents, I have observed that at the outset that the motion is not in proper format. Further, as per the provisions of the Article 90C of the Constitution, a notice period of 14 days is required for moving a resolution, not a motion. As the House is going to be adjourned Sunday on 1st 2020 as per the present schedule, notice does not complete the required period of 14 days. Hence I rule that the motion given by the LOP and other members is not admissible. Then the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, he wants to move a resolution. Please.
Sir, I move that the following members be suspended from the services of
This is not the way. Please sit down.
for a period
You are not. You have been named. You
for
can't
the
speak.
remaining part of the current session for their unruly behavior, especially with the chair, and their gross disorderly
People, I appeal to the
Invite-
countrymen, people who have missed yesterday, they can witness today.
and their gross disorderly conduct in the violation of the rules and etiquettes of Rajya Sabha, thereby bringing disrepute to this august House and causing insult to the office of Honorable Deputy Chairman yesterday, that is the 20th September 2020. I named the following persons: Sri Derek O'Brien, Sri Sanjay Singh, Sri Rajiv Satav, Sri K.K. Ragesh, Sri Syed Nasir Hussain, Sri Ripun Bora, Ms. Dola Sen, and Sri Elamaram Karim.
The motion has been moved. The question is the following members be suspended from the service of the House for a period of the remaining part of the current session of their unruly behavior, especially with the chair, and their grossly disorder conduct, violation of the rules and etiquettes of the Rajya Sabha, thereby bringing disrepute to this august House and causing insult to the office of the Deputy Chairman yesterday. That is 2020. Sri Derek O'Brien, Sri Sanjay Singh, Sri Rajiv Satav, Sri K.K. Ragesh, Sri Syed Nasir Hussain, Sri Ripun Bora, Ms. Dola Sen, Sri Elamaram Karim. All these people have been named by the Minister, and those in favor, please raise their hands and say yes. Those against will say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Thereafter, Sri Derek Oberyn, Sri Sanjay Singh, Sri Rajiv Sato, Sri K.K. Ragesh, Syed Nazir Hussain, Ripun Bora, Ms. Dera Hussain, Elmaram Karim are suspended for the period of 1 week for the remaining part of the current session. So, please leave the house. Those members who have been called, leave the house. Now, as for the business, please, आप लोग बाहर जाना है. Those people who, this is the parliamentary system. Please go out. Now there is a call attention motion to the matter of urgent public importance. You members have been asking for this subject. Sri Derek Oberyn, Sri Jairam, who have been named, they will not be there. Others, Viswambar Prasad Rishad, Srimad Chaya Verma, Sri Sukram Singh Yadav, and Sri Joginapalli Santosh Kumar to call the attention of the Minister of Finance to the situation arising of the non-payment of GST compensation to the state. If the members want to call the attention of the Minister, they can call these people. Sri Viswambar Prasad, Chaya Verma, Sukram Singh Yadav, and Joginapalli Santosh Kumar. You want to call the attention of the Minister? This is not the way. I can't hear. There is total chaos. So they are not calling the attention of the Minister. They are not calling the attention of the Minister. They are not calling the attention of the Minister. You please sit down first. But this is not the way. Make an announcement, there should not be anybody. You first follow that. First, you follow after my announcement, you cannot be in the house, the person's named. You do that, then I will hear the LOP. You first withdraw from the house. These members who have been named by the Minister and resolution which has been approved, they should first withdraw from the house, then we can. Calling attention on GST compensation. Please. No, how can there be division? Over. It's over. Please. You know the position of the house. Please. You cannot create unruly scenes and then demand something, disrupt while the chairman is speaking. You don't follow the rules and you quote the rules. You create disorder and then raise point of order. How can you please follow the rules? Please follow the rules. These members who have been named, they are not part of the house. Please, you first withdraw from the house. You withdraw from the house, then only anything else can happen. You cannot preside the chair like that. The members named has to first withdraw, then LOP, and then anybody else can raise their hand and I will recognize them. Call attention on GST. You don't want? You have been asking. I have made a call to the minister, and then minister agreed. She has come. It is there in the business. It is as per the business advisory committee. Please.